Hey everyone, and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Guess what? Nicole Scherzinger is back with her new single and new video, which is called Poison. I've got that poison, that poison, that poison that'll make you fall in love with me. So, if you want to know how to do the makeup look that is inspired by that very video, stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. This step is optional. If you want to make the look more evilish, I would suggest you fill in your brows with a black eyeshadow. And for these purposes, you may use Anastasia stencils. Then, take your primer. I'm using Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, which I apply to my finger and then to my lid. Once this is done, take vanilla eyeshadow and with 239 brush by MAC, apply the eyeshadow all over your lid and to the highlight area as well. Now it's time for the eyeliner. Take your angled brush and any liner that you have. I'm using Black Track Fluid MAC as usual, and using the angled brush, I'm going to create the thick liner line first, filling it in, and once this is done, with leftovers on my brush, I'm going to start creating the wing. I'm doing it with leftovers on purpose because I don't want too much liner right now. If something goes wrong, I will erase the wing and everything will be fine and not visible. Once you see that your sketch is ready, take more liner to your brush and start filling in your wing. Always make sure that two eyes look the same. Once the wing is ready, apply some liner to your lower lash line. And don't forget about the waterline as well. For these purposes, you may want to use a fine brush. Like this. Now let's curl our lashes. Press several times in order not to break your lashes. And then take your favorite mascara in black and apply it to your upper and lower lash lines. Our eye makeup is ready. Now let's go on to our cheeks. Today I'll be using Makeup Forever's Suntan Bronzer, which I'm going to apply with MAC's blush brush. Do a fish face and apply the blush or your bronzer. And then smudge all the harsh lines that you may have. Blend really well. Now it's time for the lips. Take red pencil, and I'm using Feisty Medium Pencil Mascara. Apply the contour first, and then start filling in your lips. Now take MAC's Chromographic Pencil and apply it around your lips. This way we're going to create a little bit of highlight, which will also prevent bleeding. And it will also add some edge to your contour. Now with your finger, blend all the harsh lines. Take Coastal Scent's 66 Lip Palette, and with a flat brush, apply the red lip gloss on the top of your pencil. Like this. And yes, here is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope it was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please subscribe if you still haven't. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Thanks, and bye.